Hey, what's up guys, you're back with another video. Today in this video we are going to be talking about Atlas Funded and really amazing prop firm that I recently came across. So if you are interested in learning more about it, then make sure to watch the video till the end, and let's get started with the video. Atlas Funded is a really amazing prop firm which has helped over 60,000 plus traders get funded, and also it has a score of 4.8 out of 5 in Trustpilot, which is something really amazing. And also currently a limited time period offer is going on for the month of March, where you can get 30% off plus 200% refund on your purchase if you buy a funded account using code MAR30. So this will be also something really cool. If you are interested in getting started, you can get 30% discount. And also here you can choose various type of model for your trading account. That is, you can choose from instant, one step, two step, three step, and also they have an access model, which is also something really cool that we are going to be talking in just a bit detail. So here they offer different type of platforms such as TradeLocker, MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, and you can choose account size up to 400k, starting as little as $5,000 for $47 in instant funding model. Whereas if you choose one step, for that you have to only pay $54 for getting $5,000 account, and this is for one step. And if you choose two step, that will be costing you around $33, and for three step account, for a $5k funded account, you need to pay $26. And also you get a variety of options that you can choose. Whether if you are a professional trader and you know what you are doing, then you can get started right away with their instant funded model, which will be allowing you to get 100k account for just as low as $502. And also an amazing thing is that if you are new to Atlas Funded, you can get up to 50% off your first purchase by using code NEW, which is something really cool. So you can get yourself 50% off if you are a first time purchaser. For instant model, you will be getting trading period is unlimited, minimum of trading day is 5, that is you need to have 5 profitable days, and the profit target is unlimited, that is in instant model. And the max overall loss for an 100k account is $5,000, whereas max daily loss is $3,000. And yes, you can connect expert advisor as well for your instant funded account, and the profit split is 100%, which is something really cool. And also the average payout is around $7,743. And now let's move on to the one step account. Here in one step, the trading period is unlimited, and the minimum trading days is 4, and profit target is 450 in step 1, and max overall loss is $300, whereas max daily loss limit is $150. And you can also connect expert advisor. Once it is funded, you can withdraw up to 100% of the profit. Moving on to step 2, here you have the same rules like one step, but here you have another step added, that is for making profit target of $250 after passing in the step 1, that is of $450. So that is the same thing over here. And also an amazing thing is that here you can get up to 3 steps. Means if you are looking for a really cheap account, that is for 5k, you need to pay $26 to get 3 step account, which will be having the first profit target of $300 for the second, and the step third as well as $300. So this is something really cool that you can take note as well. And also here are some amazing perks that is made for traders trading with Atlas. That is best trading condition, lowest spread, no minimum trading days on several model trading funding model, as well as you can choose from variety of platforms with lowest spread like TradeLocker, MetaTrader, MatchTrader. And also your news trading is allowed, which is something also amazing. And also here we have weekend holding as well, means you can hold your position over the weekend, which is also something really cool. And you can get instant funding, that is skip the challenge and get instant funded right away for as low as $54. And if you are a first time buyer, you can get 50% off for that as well. And also they are doing daily giveaways, that is you can follow their social medias and join their Discord server, where they are frequently doing giveaways that you can take part in and get yourself a free funded account. And also they have 24/7 support system, that is here if you have any query, raise a ticket on Discord and you will be helped as soon as possible. And they are covering 140 plus countries and with already 60,000 plus traders in their community, which is something really cool. And here are the offices, that is St. Lucia, England and Dubai. So you can make sure, so they are making sure that every region is covered 24/7. And also you can read over 1000 plus reviews that what traders are saying about Atlas Funded. So that is the reason that I personally find this really amazing. As you can see this, I personally have an instant funded account of 50k with Atlas Funded, which I am currently up $500. So if you are interested in following my journey with Atlas Funded, and if you want to see whether I am able to withdraw from Atlas Funded and want to check and want to see my withdraw proof, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those bell notification. So in future, once I get a withdraw, and I will be making a video, an updated video on Atlas Funded for sure. So make sure to subscribe. And also you can join the 200k monthly giveaway, also receive exclusive discount absolutely for free. Just enter your email address, phone number, and then you are automatically participating in monthly 200k giveaway, which is something really amazing. And also for more additional giveaways, join their Discord as well as social medias, so you keep yourself updated regarding all the things that Atlas Funded is offering. And also, as I previously told, they have a really amazing model, that is pay after you pass challenge. So here is how it works. Step one is you can start the challenge for $1, which you will be getting instant access to your evolution, no large upfront. Means you have to pay $1, and once you hit the target, that is follow the rules, complete the evolution and pass the challenge. Once your challenge is passed, then only you have to pay for that account, that is pay only after passing. Once you pass, you will be shown the standard funding fee for your account size. You pay this only after you have successfully completed the challenge. And the step 4 is receive your funded account. Your funded account is created immediately after payment. If you fail the challenge, nothing more is due. That is, and the final step is repeat as many times as you want. So that is how $1 access model works. And also these are all the challenge rule for the access model, that is trading period is unlimited, there is no minimum trading day required on step 1. Profit target is 4%, max overall loss is 7%, and max daily loss limit is 5%. And yes, you can connect expert advisor. For the step 1, profit split is not there, and also there is no refundable fees for the step 1. Once you get funded, then you have to make sure that you have followed all the rules. You will be getting 100% profit split, and the refund and the fees is refundable on 4th payout, which is also something really cool. So that is how this pay after you pass model works. And also why the traders love this model, that is you can get started for only $1, no risk if you fail, and pay nothing. And also this will be available for MT5 worldwide, which will be allowing you to have unlimited trading days, and also you can repeat this as many times as you want. So that is something really cool about Atlas Funded and what they are offering. So that is all regarding this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.